I love the way this person just screenshot this video bit by bit. The guy said that Nkere is better than Ngozi Orabueze. Nkere is better than Ngozi Orabueze. Nkere is better than just in interval of how many months? Some of us that are not even that we don't see, we are not a prophet or prophetess. We still that little thing that we still maintain that. He's saying that because he wants to, because they keep on knocking at the doors of Sani Akparawa. Sani Akparawa refused to open the door, even though why he's searching at France is still on that assignment. She's yet to execute the assignment they gave to her. All right. Now, wow. He can go. Anyway, time will tell. Time will tell. Nkere is all of a sudden, it's better than Ngozi Orabueze.
Into our land. Now, let me tell you, 4 months is gone. 4 months is gone. And you know that according to the confession of Musa, Nkere, at least if you hear Prince Will today, Prince Will is still calling Nkere that Nkere is neglecting him, which means Nkere is giving them, taking care of all these fighters, all these why. Then where is Ngozi putting the from people then Nkere they taking care of these people upon there is no much fun. People are here talking rubbish. Say, this land of also and cannot hide.
Okay.
That is saying that these people have driven Nigeria without manpower. They have hired a good number of Nigerian military, and therefore they have no military personnel again. That is what Musa said. And now they give them 4 months. 4 months gap is for recruitment of another soldiers. And now your madam this year is giving them more 2 months. That is complete 6 months of mandatory Nigerian soldiers training. They go 6 months. So your madam knows what she is doing. She is funding Nigeria. You know, militarily, if you have not been on the ground, if you are not men on the ground, you wouldn't see these things that we are saying. You can only bank on the nonsense that she is telling you. But we that have been on the ground, that understand the antics of this fight, we know the blackmail when we see it. Musa used to cry, man, before that. And now, the 4 months gap of non-acting. And last time that you heard from them, the last time that you heard them speaking, you see Musa saying that these people have seized airways. These people have hired their soldiers. These people are making Nigeria making Nigeria to lose manpower. They are weakening Nigeria. Musa made all those.
Armstrong is asking, is remedies on ground.